Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy, the United Kingdom, and the US's data bridge. So in June 2023, the UK and the US signed a letter of understanding about an extension to the Transatlantic Data Privacy Framework. So the Transatlantic Data Privacy Framework is in progress right now. It is going to be a replacement for the Privacy Shield framework that was invalidated in the European Union a while ago. And so this particular agreement between the UK and the US falls under that agreement. And the idea is that the US and the UK want to really strengthen their ties in terms of how trade is done between the two nations. And the idea is that this data bridge will enable trade, innovation, and research in a way that does not require, for example, companies to do standard contract clauses or make really expensive legal documents for trading data and information. So it is estimated, I think in 2022, that the UK and the US had around $70 billion, I believe, in trade, in what they call data-enabled trade. So that meant some type of trade between the US and the UK that involved some type of data or personal data that will fall under these agreements. So this particular extension has not been finalized yet, but it likely will be. So I think in the coming future, we'll see there be this agreement hopefully finalized, and then obviously people still want to see a finalization of the transatlantic privacy framework as it relates to data flows between the European Union and the US. So this is very interesting in terms of data trade and data information. I think this will have a huge effect on companies, especially if they're able to take advantage of this. So the companies that would benefit from this particular data bridge will be companies that have either already signed up or already have been a part of the Privacy Shield framework and are still part of that agreement, even though it was invalidated by the EU. And then also companies that decide to sign on for this new transatlantic data privacy framework. That's it. Thank you.